Krishna, welcome to Satvik Lifestyle. Today we will see a recipe for the very healthy healthy item, Moringa Paruppu curry or Moringa soup. Keep a skillet pan on the stove and add 2 spoons of oil and put 1 spoon of mustard seeds and 1 spoon of jeera. Fry it little bit. Add this moringa leaves and fry. It's halfway through, add the cooked moong dal. I took 1 cup of moong dal, pressure cooked it. It should be like a mashed consistency. Pressure cook it and transfer it into the moringa. It's half cooked, and so when you mix it with the lentil and mix the spices, it will be fully cooked so that it doesn't get cooked too much and all the nutrients are gone away. So make sure that when you fry the moringa leaves, make it's halfway through. And when you add this the moong dal leaves, it is actually cooked thoroughly. So as you know, moringa leaves are very good for health along with moong dal. It makes a diet very complete, Satvik. As per the Ayurvedic, these 2 ingredients are mainly prescribed for any item we cook. And this moong dal especially is good for protein and digestion, everything, compared to the tur dal. So it's one of the best item to use in any cooking as per the Indian dishes are concerned. So I felt it's only little bit, so I'm adding more moong dal, and now I added 1 spoon of salt. You can add the salt as per your taste. Usually it's better if it is lesser, so even if it is lesser we can add later instead of having it more and not able to fix it. So I always put less salt, so you can put how much ever you like according to the taste, but for this quantity it is enough for 1 spoon. Now I am adding half spoon turmeric powder. Turmeric powder, as you know, it's very good for digestion, immunity booster, and all those purposes I am adding. And also it gives a nice aroma for any Indian dishes I cook. It's a must item for all my Indian dishes. For Chinese and other international cuisines, you can ignore turmeric, but for Indian cooking, turmeric is one of the essential ingredients. Now I am adding 1 spoon of chili powder for the spiciness, and you can avoid it if you feel like it is too spicy for you. You can avoid it and substitute the chili powder with 1 spoon of pepper powder. So it should be good and not very bland, and good for the taste palates. Now I am adding 1 cup of water. This is like to get it in a soup consistency. If you don't like the soup consistency, you can add less water, and with that you can eat with the rice as a curry or a vegetable. But this one I use it like a gravy and eat it with rice. It can be also eaten with the chapati or naan or puri as well. It's one of the healthiest items you can ever think of. It gives all the nutrients in one dish. That lentils give the protein, and moringa leaves as a greens is always good for protein and iron. So these 2 together make the dish as a wholesome meal. And if you eat with the grains, so you get everything for carbohydrates and the protein and iron. So the meal becomes wholesome. So now it is cooked. I am transferring into the container. So once it is transferred, you can offer it to Krishna and you can enjoy with your loved ones. Hope you really like this recipe. Please subscribe, share and comment. And thank you for watching. Hare Krishna.